4th of
It's
July.
the 4th of July. It is our Independence Day.
So we have to go see fireworks.
Yeah, except they really didn't sign the Declaration of Independence till August 4th. Yeah, they
Really?
didn't.
I did not know that.
Yeah, I did not know that. I knew it on and off.
Oh, wow.
I kind of forgot and then I remembered. So we can celebrate it again.
So
on
why
August
do we
4th.
celebrate this day then?
Because this is the day that it was actually like the draft was like kind of ratified.
Yeah, and then they bickered for a while, as you know, old people do.
Well, no, here's the funny thing about it is that it wasn't like they all signed the same day. They like signed like one guy.
They like passed the buck totally on Thomas Jefferson and that other guy who signed it. Oh, John Hancock. He's like, you're gonna get hung by the king for sure.
John Hancock was just like,
yeah, he was like balls in it. He was just like, man, yeah, if I'm gonna get hung, I'm gonna have the biggest signature on this mofo.
I'm gonna teabag the king.
Yeah.
Look at this shit.
Oh my god, they did teabag the king in another way too.
Oh my god, it is just a constant teabagging.
Yeah.
Of England.
Hey, you like tea? You want some tea? We like beer. We like Sam Adams. And we're bringing the dogs. This is the dog that we showed you guys earlier, and this is their dog. I'm helping them work with it, and I'll have the introduction up probably before this, but I asked you guys what kind of breed you thought he was, and if you could help name him, and what did you guys decide on for his name?
Lancelot.
Lancelot. So this is Lancelot. So we've been calling him Lancelot.
He's a part of the round table.
And while he is a mutt, he was going to be euthanized at the shelter, but you guys had a lot of good guesses, and there's really no way to know for sure, but he's mostly, if not entirely, I think American Bulldog.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is not only in phenotype, but in behavior too. And he's been doing very, very well. When we first got him, the improvement's been remarkable. And over here is this little lady in patriotic lingerie. I have not mentioned yet, but we'll get into her later, her story. I'm also working with her now. And this is Steffi. And if you can't guess which one that is, that's the one on the right, left. I'm kind of dyslexic with that. And that's Tim. They were recently married, so, you know, put some congratulations up there in the comments.
Yay.
Yeah. And we're out here just seeing some fireworks.
We're not sure how the dogs are going to react.
Yeah, I have never done 4th of July out here. Long time ago, I took Sugar Tree. She was pretty cool with it. But I'm not so sure about this little girl. But it's good to get them desensitized to different things as long as you're in a calm state of mind.
Which way?
Okay, now you turn right. Yeah. And they're from Chicago. I'm originally from Chicago too, and they're just getting their bearings straight up in here.
Straight up in here.
Straight up in here. Straight out of Chicago.
Yeah.
This is like Sugar Tree. Sugar Tree likes to pretend that she's driving.
She
like doesn't trust me or something. She's like my flight engineer navigator.
What is going on out there?
What is going on? Are we gonna go see the big fireworks? I like them because they look like missiles. They're cool. So we're a little bit late, but we're seeing them from all directions.
We just gotta find a place to park.
And Lancelot is kind of like barking at them. We've never been back here before. Oh, there's a bunch of people watching them there. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I have not seen fireworks in years. This is so cool.
Why don't
we just park on the side street?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, wow. Look at that, Lance. This is our like local kind of deal.
That guy parked on this side.
It's a small community. Ooh. Hi guys.
Hey.
So we're not too familiar with these dogs, and it is their first 4th of July because they are puppies and they are doing so well. Yeah. And here are the fireworks. Very cool.
What's the matter, Drama Queen?
But it's often said that more dogs are lost on 4th of July than any other event because they get so scared from the noise, but these two are pretty chill. Yeah! Yeah! What is that? Are you getting scared? You pretty chill?
I'm very scared.
What about you, Tim? Are you gonna get lost? More Tims are lost on 4th of July than any other holiday.
They are. You have to send a search party out
Yeah.
for them afterwards.
You know, later on about midnight, we're gonna be looking for Tim. He is doing good. Wow.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. I'll keep holding you. Stand up. I'm right here, love. Really ready.
That one was kind of a letdown. It was kind of like tapered off. Ooh, we got a trifecta. Wow.
How you doing with the fireworks? Well, we need to
Ooh. That one was neat.
Hey guys, smile. One second.
Sir, you need to stand.
I got a bunch of dog butts.
You got what?
I got a bunch of dog butts. Because you guys wouldn't turn around.
What? You're good with fireworks, you don't even pose? Throw these dogs away. Apparently this is a crowd pleaser. Yeah! Lance literally wants to attack them. This is a firework attack dog. I just love the little patterns. Wow.
They're not watching shows, they're watching fireworks. They're missing it.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna get a rocket and like zoom up there and start chasing them?
What are those evil fireworks doing?
Plants in space.
Yeah.
Do-do-do, do-do-do.
You gotta join NASA. Yeah. See if they can finally land on the moon.
And get some fireworks.
Yeah, we need some fireworks up on the moon. Hey, you little girl.
There's a little drone over there.
Yeah. But I'll go into her details later, but she was another rescue. She's a feral dog, but you'll have to wait for the next video to learn more about her. Who I think it's pretty clear what kind of breed she is.
Definitely a 12.
Yeah. She's a Great Dane. Weren't the Sox the ones that are the winners and the Cubs lose constantly?
Yeah.
And, like, don't even
Just this
make
last year
don't
they
even make it to
won.
round 3 or whatever. I don't know.
Besides
I
this
honestly
last
don't know
year.
baseball, honestly.
Which was like a fluke.
Interview with a White Sox fan.
My interview. I don't know.
Why do you like the White Sox?
Because they're the better team usually.
This is when we get a divorce.
Like White Sox.
That's the thing. My dad was a big
So it was
White
like,
Sox.
you know, I like Chicago Bulls, you know, it was indoctrinated into me.
Apparently, although my grandfather, he was a big Cubs fan, and other people in my family.
Oh,
How did you marry this woman?
I don't know.
This conversation has nothing to do with 4th of July, but, you know, we just thought we'd do a vlog because I haven't been doing much lately, been sick, and everything's been a mess, but we're going to get stuff back together again and For those that have enjoyed the channel, I hope you continue to enjoy it. And
Tell us who you prefer this.
yeah, leave a comment. Do you like the White Sox or the Cubs, or do you not really like? Why is my camera so out of focus?
I don't know. I think it's trying to autofocus the like things.
You know what, camera? Okay, I'm gonna shut this off so I can autofocus it better, because you're just looking at like what people think are ghosts when they do the orbs, but they're just your camera dust, you guys. Nice wheels you got there.
Thanks.
Yeah. God, it's nice from my car.
Ooh.
Is that the grand finale? Is that the grand finale? The eternal question of the fireworks show. It's so weird because they really are like missiles. It's like the same concept. They're hippie missiles. That's what I'm going to call them from now on. Hippie missiles. These people seem to be venturing down into a ditch. It's like the pit on Parks and Recreation.
There's people over there.
I fell in the pit. Oh, this is the grand finale. Yeah, Lance, you gotta get in your NASA shuttle. Hell yeah. Woo! Rocket Tucson!
Woo! Look at the drone.
Yeah! Woo! So everyone's getting ready to leave, but I don't think anyone can tell if it's over or not.
We'll have jetpacks for Lance.
Jetpacks for Lance. Hear that, Lance? Jetpack.
NASA's gonna build them a shuttle. Any word from you? You got your feathers on. We made her a little costume.
What's up, buddy?
Gotta work.
What's up, buddy?
That's Lancelot.
What's up, Lancelot?
Yeah, they were gonna kill him at PAC. Perfectly good dog. Yeah, like right before we picked him up, just for being a little hyper. All right, we're working with him and he's doing really well. Yeah. Thanks for stopping to pet him. That always helps.
Oh,
You don't mind him jumping on you, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Yeah, get him nice and socialized with a bunch of different people.
I gotta go,
That's why we brought him down here. Yeah.
buddy. See you later, buddy. I gotta go.
See, everyone loves you.
Beautiful dog.
That's why people bad who throw away perfectly good dogs. Yeah. Oh my gosh. See, dogs are so great. Great therapy for everyone. Starfish is like, oh, nobody loves me.
I got you. Come here.
He's like a best buddy type dog.
Man, I had a rough night tonight too. I feel you. I feel you.
Did you also want to go up and chase the fireworks? Because, you know, he was like about to build a shuttle to go up there.
Yeah.
I had 20
you
years
have
in
a
the
rough-
military.
Really?
Dad, and I touched me a little bit. So,
Aw. Well, I hope you have a good night.
Lance made a friend.
And Lance just has a good aura.
Yeah.
Good, really magnetic. Except for whoever fucking threw him away. It's like a zombie walk, 4th of July, turned into The Walking Dead.
Yes, it's a dog.
And this is a dog who had no manners at all. He was biting in a playful way, not in an aggressive way. And well, he did a little nip right there, but I mean, we've all worked with him, but I mean, not extensively, you know, we haven't had him very long, and just the remarkable improvement you get him out of the shelter, and just look at his manners watching these people go by. If this were even 3 weeks ago, he'd be, you know, biting, and he is a puppy, and you know, I mean, it hurts, and he's not doing any of that right now.
Okay. Starfish, I'm sorry.
He's doing good with the wheelchairs going by. That's another thing that some dogs will have a problem with, they'll bark at. He's doing good with the kids going by, the noise, the glow sticks, the traffic. We don't know his history. He was brought in as a stray, but we don't know anything beyond that, whether he was, he's not feral, I know that, but whether or not, you know, how much went into him. It could have been a backyard breeder situation. He's probably about 9 months old. Based on his teeth, he's just a very big puppy. And this little girl has a kind of a different story, but I'll do a vlog about that later. So all these different objects, colors, scent, smells. Perfectly fine dog that was literally going to be killed for just absolutely no reason, but people don't want to put the time and effort into it. It's just very sad. Not to end 4th of July on a like kind of negative note, but it's a message that needs to be said over and over again, because you can't just throw away a dog because it's got a few behavioral issues. It's just not right. You wouldn't throw your kids away, would you? I mean, and some people do that, but this is, you know, it's a good interaction.
Come on, let's go.
That was a redirection. But that is what Lance is doing, is he wants to engage in play, but he doesn't have the manners or the background to know what is appropriate. Here's another little dog coming. We can see his reaction. And this dog also wants to engage and play with Lance. See, he's just a bundle of energy, really wants to play. Absolutely no dog aggression. Some slight human aggression, but it really is just too much energy and too much dog for most people. So I'm very glad to be working with him, and I'm very glad that two of my very good friends were able to adopt and save him. But this is a lot for any dog, recently pulled from the kill shelter or not. And just with a little bit of work, and just think of how good he will be in the future. You've got to, if you can't put the time and effort into working with your dog, you shouldn't have a dog. Any behavioral problems or anything a dog does, whether it goes all the way and attacks someone, or you know, maybe it chewed up your carpet, that is all the human's fault. And I'm just gonna end it on that, do a little bit more filming, see some behaviorism. I'm kind of in the street here, but it is never ever the dog's fault. Right? It's never the dog's fault. And what Lance has on is a prong collar, and some people have a problem with these. They think they're cruel, and leave a comment, let me know what you think of them. I think they're a great tool if used properly. They are an they evenly distribute the pressure, and it is very, very good to get them to know their boundaries. But let me know what you think of them, because they can be kind of controversial. They've gotten to be a little more accepted now, but personally I use them and I do recommend them. Got to make sure that they are adjusted properly. This one maybe needs one more link removed. They're worn up high, and you just, you know, can't be tugging on them, but they are a very great tool to get a dog that, you know, dog can weigh more than you, and it's a very good means of controlling them. Any final words?
Go America.
Go America, yeah. Yeah, 4th of July. And that was it for the fireworks show, so we're gonna head back, and we've got some fireworks at home to light, so we're gonna get into that.